Are you ready for this one? I don't think you're ready for this one. This one, as I'd like to say, get the furniture out the way, get the kids in the room. Adam can come too, because it's clean, you know. Get the furniture out the way, get the kids, get the family, put the food on the table, lock off the stove. Time to get in the middle of the dance floor and groove. This one is Justin Hinds and the Dominoes. Carry Go Bring Come, 1970 release on the Treasure Eye label from the stable. All right, everybody, lock off the cable, get on the dance floor and groove. This one you're gonna rock. You are going to rock with this one, man. Here we go from the top. No. We are pulling this up. We are going to pull it up. I don't know how they did it in 1970, but in 2023, we're going to pull it up from the top. Here we go again. Innocent man, but time will tell on you. You old Daisy Bell, how long shall the wicked reign over my people? Hans. Innocent man, but time will tell on you. You old Jezebel, how long shall the wicked reign over my people? How long shall the wicked reign? This carry go bring come, my dear, bring me Israel. This carry go bring come. Basically, you have individuals out there that gossip and carry news and talk about people and talk about everything except themselves. Those kind of people, it brings misery into people's lives. When you spread rumors on people, you're spreading rumors, you're spreading distress on people's lives. You can't do that, man. So that's what this song is saying. You know, watch your mouth, limit your mouth, let your tongue cleave to the roof of your mouth, as the Bible and the scriptures would say. You know, he that keepeth his mouth shall keep his life. You know what I mean? Yeah. So this carry go bring come thing, carry go and bring come. Carry people news and bring people news, people business. It don't work. It don't work. It never work. Right? Never work. Yeah, man. Watch your mouth and keep by your tongue. You understand? Yeah. Justin Hinds and the Dominoes with their Treasure Isle 1970 release. Carry go bring come. Good vibes, man. You see, I'm telling you about that music of yesteryear, man. I'm telling you about it. It make you dance, but it has a message. And probably back in the days, you know, people probably was so busy dancing they didn't even catch the message. You know, because they're so busy dancing, right? So, but nowadays, no dancing now go on, so you can hear everything with enough of them people here say, right? And sometimes them not saying a darn thing. that's so boy 6 well I'm say 6 hour and a half dozen the other, right? Anyway, keep it moving, we're gonna keep it grooving, man. Like, share, subscribe for the vibe. Hit the notification bell so you can hear when I yell and put you under this, you know. You already know. Musical spell, right? We're gonna keep it moving, keep the vibes growing, alright?